Hello all. Okay, so today we have the vintage Montgomery Ward signature sewing machine, and this thing is a beast. I went to an estate sale and it looked pretty shabby. The case was falling apart. I had to throw the top part of the case out because it was all wood and just, yeah, we couldn't salvage that. The base that this machine is in is also falling apart. It's barely holding this machine on. This machine is heavy. I'd say anywhere from 35 to 40 pounds, within that range. Definitely a heavy machine. All metal. Everything that's inside it is steel. There are no plastic parts to this machine at all. So I'm going to test it out for you, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how it runs. We're going to do all the little things there. I wanted to give you a little bit of a background on it. The signature line was Montgomery Ward's in-house brand, and it was from the 1950s to the early 1970s. They didn't actually manufacture these. Most of them were built in Japan by top makers, you know, in that time. And then they rebranded for Ward's department stores. So, you know, they were known for their durability, the engineering, the heavy cast metal, and obviously the motors that were built to last, which they're living up to. There are no plastic gears in this machine. All steel components with a classic sleek design from that era in time. So I did clean it up. It was filthy on the inside and the out. It does have a few little dings and scratches, as with anything that's this old. And I think this machine is anywhere between 60 and 70 years old. So yeah, it's in very, very good condition considering. Okay, so we're gonna power her up. She's already powered on, but we're gonna give her that test run. And I wanted to show you, before I even start that, the wires and the presser foot. We have old wires here. And I have been testing and cleaning this machine for over an hour. And it's not hot. It's not hot. It's all in one piece. There are two plugs that the machine plugs into with this little attachment, and then that attachment is the presser foot. Look at this presser foot. Again, all metal, heavy, weighted. Look at the back of that. This thing is in amazing condition. The presser foot also, which you'll hear the machine, but when you press it, you gotta really press. Beautiful. I do not have a presser foot this good. With all my other machines, not like this. So that was very impressive. So anyway, I'm going to show you how this thing runs. Let me see if I can get closer. Okay, I'm going to press on the presser foot, and we're going to go slow. And we're just going to go higher and higher. We are all the way down. Notice how she's not shaking on the table. She doesn't shake at all on the table. Very steady, smooth. All the way down. I got my finger all the way down on the presser foot. That is amazing. This thing is amazing. It just blows me away. But she's beautiful. She runs smooth as butter. I've got as close as I could possibly get with the tripod, but I am going to take this off the tripod so I can give you a closer look at all the parts, and then I will, actually I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this machine up so you could see it at the bottom. Hold on one second. Okay. All right, this thing is heavy. I don't want it to fall on my other machine. There she goes. Oh my Lord, this machine is freaking heavy. So there you go. And I don't know, maybe we could press the presser foot. Let's. Okay. So you could see the feet at the bottom. There's one in the front and two in the back. This machine is amazing. I will be right back because I need two hands to hold this because it is heavy. So here we go. Like, it is in such good condition. No fading. Everything is readable and intact. Look at that. Like I said, it has some scratches and dings, which is to be expected with its age. And then we'll go to the top. And then I'm gonna turn it around. Oh, we'll be right back so we can see the back side. And there we go with the back. Let's get up closer. There's the motor. There's the belt, which I would suggest changing the belt, although that one is pretty strong. And let's see, we'll do the lever up and down so you can see. We'll do. So this button right here, that button is actually the on and off switch for the light. So I'm going to turn it on. And then you can see the light goes on. You just turn it. Now we'll open this up here so you can get a good look inside. There's the light bulb. There we go. All the way down. Now let's go take a look at the bobbin area. All right, so here we go with the bobbin area. Is under the plate. And as you can see, I'm trying to focus. Very clean in there. Again, everything has been vacuumed out, dusted out, washed down on the outside, and oiled. So, and she runs fantastic. And I showed you the back butt. There you go. How gorgeous is this machine? Just knocks my socks off. I got to tell you, because my machine in the back over there, when I go full force, it shakes this whole table. This machine, which weighs more and is so much older, like butter. Everything is steady. It's strong. It's a very strong machine. Whoever buys this, you are going to be very happy with this machine. I do have other vintage machines. I can only collect just so many and use so many, but this baby is just unbelievable. You won't be disappointed in this machine, I can tell you that. Okay, guys, so there you have it. The Montgomery Ward signature sewing machine. It's vintage. It's beautiful. Runs like butter. I can't rave about this machine enough. Awesome, beautiful machine. And I think anybody who buys this is absolutely going to love it, especially if you want a powerhouse of a machine. This is it. Okay, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you could see more videos and demonstrations on sewing machines or any other items that we bring into our shop. Until the next time, have a wonderful day and bye for now.